So you've taken some great footage with your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and now you want to put it onto your PC or computer or your hard drive. Well, stick around, it's super easy to do, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. It's pretty simple to connect it to the computer. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to turn to the side of your camera, and we're going to push down here, and it's going to open up this little latch here that you can see. All right, if we lift it up, you'll see here inside we have a USB port. What you want to do when you open up the USB port is you want to grab yourself a USB-C cable, and we're going to plug that straight into the side of the camera, like so. All right, so we're going to grab the cable and we're going to connect it to the computer like so. All right, so once we do, look here on the screen, you'll see how it has a message. It's actually upside down, but if I turn it around, you'll see how it says file transfer USB webcam or charging only. So because we're actually transferring the files, we want to tap on the first option, the top option. Whoops. We want to tap on that top option there, and that shows us this logo here which says it's connected, right? Now let's have a look at the computer and see what the computer shows us on this, or on the Finder of the MacBook Pro. Hey, this is kind of crazy. Of all the people who view the videos on this channel, over 90% of people haven't subscribed. Now, if you've enjoyed anything that you've seen on this channel, any videos, or if you've learned anything, if you could do me one small simple favor and you'd like to support this channel, if you could please hit the subscribe, I would be extremely grateful. And in return, I'll do my very best to make each video a little bit better than the last and bring you the latest and greatest news and views on action cameras to help you get more out of using your camera. Okay, thanks for listening. And if I go to the Finder option here, you'll see here on the side, it's actually got the details of the SD card that I've got in my camera, which ironically I've called 512 GoPro. But what I'm interested in is the stuff which is on the DJI camera, which I've actually used this prefix here. Now, so if I have a look there and I use the arrow and I go to the drop down, it's going to show me all the files that are currently on my SD card. So I can look at any one of them, I can play them back, and if I want to, I can copy them onto my computer very simply and very easily. So I've just opened this one here real quick. So all the while this is happening, you can see we have the connected logo here on front of our DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So if you look here on the computer screen, this is some footage of me out near Burra in South Australia recently.
All right, so we're just outside of Burra here in South Australia, and behind me is a rather famous, local landmark, I guess.
Great, okay, so that means that's for a recording, that's playing back what is on the SD card on the actual camera. Now, if I click on this one down here where it says Osmo Action on it, this one here is now going to show me what is actually on the hard drive, or what's on the storage, which is actually on the camera itself. So from here, I can look down and I can find my files. So this one here is one which is from the camera, so I'll just give that a bit of a play. And this is just some footage of a local park.
Pretty nice colors. Sun's starting to go down a little bit in the background, but...
Okay, so this is a video which I filmed when I first got my camera. So as you can see here, it's very easy to see what is on both the inbuilt storage or the onboard storage on your camera and also on your SD card. Now, if you want to copy a file from your SD card or the camera onto your hard drive, it's super easy. All you need to do in the case of this Apple Mac one here is find the file that you want, do a right click, we're going to go copy, and I'm going to put it onto this drive here which is called CatNaz. Going to go to video, and I'm going to find some spot to put it. Down the bottom here we'll do fine, and you can do this with any drive. I'm just using my NAS drive that I'm using right now. Do that, great. Okay, so now we're just going to do a right click on it, and now I'm just going to paste the item, and in a matter of seconds it's going to transfer that file which was on my SD card on my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's going to transfer that across to my NAS drive, which is just, you do the same thing with a normal hard drive or an SSD drive. So that's how simple and how quick and how easy it is to transfer anything from your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro across to your computer. Quick and easy connectivity between your action camera and your PC or Mac is just one of the many features of the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Another awesome thing you can do is slow motion. And to learn more about that, you want to click on this video over here now.